channel is Tisha Isabella. By the title of the video, you already know what we're about to do. We're getting into the Shein haul. I have a lot of pieces to show you guys. I really think you're gonna like it. I really hope you enjoy this haul. I got a lot of pieces and I really think y'all gonna like them, like for sure. I already know y'all gonna like them. So yeah. If you're not subscribed already, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get all my other videos. You know, also just dropped a Shein accessory haul and I had like 20 plus items. So y'all should definitely check that out because I have a lot of cute purses, nails, nails, shades. I got a lot of cute stuff in it. So y'all should definitely check that haul out. Let's go ahead and get into the video. This is the first outfit. It's this pink velvet two-piece set. It's so cute, you guys, and it's so comfy. I got this set in a medium. I could have did a large. No, I really like how it fits. So you know what? The medium is good for me. It also came in black velvet. Like, the black looked good too. I really need to go back and get it. I didn't know how it was gonna fit, so I just been on the safe side getting this one. But the black is gonna look bomb too, so I'm gonna go back and get that. This is giving me like kickback, drunk bowling with your friends, block party vibes. This is real cute. Like, I give it 10 out of 10, 10 out of 100. Oh, not 10 out of 100, 100 out of 100. Like, this set is bomb. Like, Shein knew what they was doing when they made this. It has real pockets, not those pockets that you try to put your hands in and it don't go nowhere. They are real pockets. It has one on the back as well. Like, get it, girl. Like, add it to your cart now. Like, right now. I've been seeing these pants everywhere. When I say everywhere, everywhere. Like, everybody and their mama got them. So I say, you know what? Let me cop them. Let me put them in my cart. Let me go ahead and get them. I haven't found nothing to wear with them yet. But when I do, baby, it's going to be cute. Like, these pants are bomb. Like, Shein, this material is A1. Like, this design, everything about these pants, I love them. Like, they're gorgeous. The bottom of the pants are not stacked, but they're not skinny either. They're like that straight leg vibe. And it got the little distress going on, got the rips in them. Like, they're so cute and they fit so good. I was going to get them in a small, but to be on the safe side, I got them in a medium. And I'm glad I did because they fit just right. I also was kind of expecting the fake pockets, but this has real pockets too. Like, they own it. These obviously are my new favorite jeans, like gray denim. Hello, baby. I'm about to start buying you all the time because I look good in them. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just these right here, but they look good on me. They fit me. They curve me out. Like, I like them. I just be doing poses and moving, so don't mind me if I'm looking crazy because I'm just showing y'all how I look. Here's another two-piece set I got. The color is a little bit different. I thought it was going to be darker, but it came in like a really cool light gray. If you watched my other haul, you know I said I was going to go back and get this in a different color. I got it in that lime green looking color, and it was bomb. I wore it around Atlanta. We had fun, enjoyed ourselves, got plenty compliments. Like, it was a really cute outfit for the day. I really need to stop playing and buy every color that they got because I really love this set. Like, the biker shorts fit good. You know how some biker shorts you put on and they have your stomach bulging out, because I know I got a little stomach. So, you know, have it bulging out and all that. This is comfy. It's soft. It's flattering. Like, it's everything and above. I love this. 10 out of 10. All right, next is this lime green dress. It got the little collar and the V-neck going on. This dress is so cute. It's simple, but it's still giving hot girl. Like, don't play with her. I also had this dress on in another haul, and I had to go back and get the other color. I had it in pink. This dress is the definition of it, girl. Like, you don't even got to do too much in this dress. Like, this dress is not all that, but it's still gonna catch their eye. And I would go back and buy all the other colors because it screams summer. It screams I'm her, 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 her. But for real though, it's like $12. It doesn't rise up. It fits good. It just it's flattering. Like, get it, girl. Next is this white bodysuit top and these gray leggings with a little graphic design on the hip. I never had a bodysuit top at all. I've never really wanted one because I didn't want to tie it up down there. But I seen somebody who did a haul already, and the way they did it, it made it look smooth. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it a chance. And you know what, it turned out being good because it's really comfortable and it do give out a smooth look. It don't look like you force tucked it in. It look like it's just all one thing. These tights also are available in black. I really wanted the black ones, but they were sold out. So I'm gonna try to go back and see if they back in stock now because I'm gonna cop them. When I had put this in my car, it was so cute, like what I envisioned, putting on the little chain belt with it, but it didn't look good. When I put it on, it's not giving at all. Like the pants are like a darker black, shiny looking color, and then top is like a dull black. So yeah, it didn't come out at all how I wanted it to, but I still showed you guys. You can see what I mean by they're not the same black. Now check out this top, you guys. It's so cute. Like, it's giving fashion week. It's very cute. These are the same pants I had on and they're all black. But yeah, this is so cute. I believe that person in the middle is Beyonce. I don't know. It kind of gives Beyonce eyebrows. But I fell in love with this shirt. This shirt is so cute. I got the pants in the small and I got the top in the medium. I thought this was so cute when I seen it, but I didn't like the turtleneck. If it didn't have the turtleneck, it'll be a cute set. Then I didn't like how open it was on the side, but I guess I could tighten it up real tight. But I don't like no cleavage on the side to show. Like with this outfit, I don't even see why they did it. But like the color is pretty. Like I love this lavender color, but it's a no for the outfit for me. I'm gonna send this one back. But the material is actually good. Like if they did this with a cute little tank top vibe, it would have been cute. Or maybe a tube top, something else than this. I don't like this. I got this top because it gave me skim vibes. It fit real good. I bought it before in a different color, but it didn't fit good, so I had to go all the way up to a large for it to be comfortable for me to wear it. But I love this. This color is very cute. It's like a nude, brown, nude, beige color. These are those same tights that are gray with the graphic design on them. I got them in olive as well because they didn't have the black. So I had to pick up some colors. But yeah, they fit good. I wouldn't wear this together. I'm just showing you guys what I got. These are the same pants that I had on previously. I just changed the top. But yeah, this top is bomb. Like, it's unique and different. I can see a model wearing this. I can see this at Fashion Week. Like, it's really giving that girl. It's really giving sophisticated, sexy. Like, it's super cute. And give out the little cleavage, show off the little cleavage a little bit with the collar. I got this top in a medium. I couldn't go to a small at all. I'll be busting out everywhere. But yeah, it's super cute. It also came in a lot of colors. I think it came in green. I know it came in green because I got the green one. I think it came in pink, and I think it came in red maybe, but this black just stood out to me. And black usually don't stand out. You know, I like to do the all black, but black and white, this is giving Corella de Ville. Then it got the tatas sitting up like, hey babes, hey babies, hey twins. I also got this super cute jacket. It's like a crop jacket. It got the art on the side to give like that high school frat girl vibe. I can see myself putting like a jumpsuit on with it with some boots. White, of course. But yeah, it's cute. I like it. The material is thick. Like, it's real thick. It's giving like a real jacket. Like, block the wind type. It's real thick. I know it's cropped, so it's not going to block everything. But it's real good material. This next outfit I put together is this oversized t-shirt with this Josh Green skirt. And I will wear this simply just to go get drinks with the girls, you know, go sit at the park with babe, just something simple. I've never seen a Josh Green skirt, so like this really stood out to me. It comes with pockets and it's really a Josh Green. I really don't be knowing how to tie oversized shirts, so I just tied it on the side and I think it looks cute enough. When y'all see this stuff in the recommendations on Shein, go look at the reviews because I scroll right past this so many times. I said, let me check this out. And it's totally giving Skims vibe all day, every day. I wore this out, got so many compliments. Like, baby girl is giving milk. I know it's giving milk. But it's so cute and it fits so good and it hugs all the right places. Like, I got that little tummy area going on. And you see how it kind of pulls it in for me? It don't, you know, it don't pull it all in like a corset would, but it does the job good enough. I got this set in the medium. I also got the green in the medium, which I'm gonna show you guys next. But yeah, go put this in your cart right now. The material is thick. Like, this whole set is bomb. Like, it was $20, but it's totally worth it. And here it is in that green color I told you. It's actually blue. It says blue on the colors on the Shein little scroll down, but it gave me like teal green in person. But the picture looked green to me too. But I don't know. It's cute though. It's also available in red, black, mint green, royal blue, navy blue maybe. Yeah, it comes in a lot of colors. This haul has come to the end though. This is the last set. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you watched it throughout and found some cute pieces. If I can ask you to do anything, that's to subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to like, comment, share, any of that good stuff, that'll be great. That'll be amazing. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a great day.